morning students. In this lecture, I am going to solve the problems on case 4. What students? Case 4. When we are applying case 4 students? Case 4. Right. Whenever the case 1 fails or case 2 fails, or if there is any combination. What is combination students? Case 1, case 2, case 2, case 3, or case 3, case 1, or other than these cases, these forms, we are applying case 4. For students, we are applying case 4. Come on, write down the problem students. Solve dou square z by dou x square minus 4 dou square z by dou x dou y plus 4 dou square z by dou y square, that is equal to e power 2x plus y. E power 2x plus y. Now solution students. Solution. What is complete solution students? Complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function plus particular integral. Now what is complementary function students? Complementary function. You write students symbolic form. Symbolic form. Symbolic form. So what is symbolic form students? Whenever there is a d, that is equal to dou by dou x, or d dash dou by dou y. Dou by dou y. Now here we have dou square z by dou x square students. So d square minus 4 into dou z by dou x d dou z by dou y d dash plus 4 into dou square z by dou y square, that means d dash square into z, that is equal to e power 2x plus y. 2x plus y. Now you write auxiliary equation students. Auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation students? D square minus 4d d dash plus 4d dash square is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now what is next step students? Very good. D is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. D dash is equal to 1. Now this equation becomes here m square minus 4m plus 4, that is equal to 0. That implies, now this is like m square minus 2 into 2m plus 2 square students. That means it is m minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now what are the roots here students? M is equal to 2 comma 2. M is equal to 2 comma 2. So what is complementary function students? Complementary function. 2 repeated roots students. So f1 of y minus m. M is 2x plus x into f2 of y minus 2x. This is the complementary function. Now what is next one students? Particular integral. Particular integral. What is particular integral students? 1 by d square minus 4d d dash plus 4d dash square into e power 2x plus y. 2x plus y, that is equal to this is first case students. So 1 by d square. D square means 2 square. 2 square means 4 minus 4 into 2 into 1, so 8 plus 2 into 4 into d square means 1, so 1, we get to 4 e power 2x plus y. See students here, 4 plus 4 8, 8 minus 8 0, so this value is 0. So whenever this value is 0, f of a comma value is 0, f of a comma b value is 0, we are applying case 4. What students? Here we are applying case 4. Case 4. Okay students, what is case 4 students? What is case 4? Right. Again we write particular integral, that is equal to, what are the roots students? What are the form here? the form is d minus md dash f of xy that is equal to some students say f of integral of f of x comma c minus mx into dx. Of integration, here y is equal to c minus mx. Of integration, replace c by y plus mx. This is the concept, students. This is the concept. So, particular integral 1 by, this can be written, students. Here the root is 2, students. So d minus 2d dash into d minus 2d dash, students. 2d dash into, what is function, students? E power 2x plus y. E power 2x plus y. Now that is equal to 1 by d minus 2d dash. 2d dash. Here y is equal, students, here. Y is equal to c minus m value, students, here. 2x. So integral of e power 2x plus, you write y square c minus 2x into dx. Minus 2x plus 2x cancel, so that we get here 1 by d minus 2d dash into e power c. We get e power c, students. E power c is constant, so integral of dx is x. So x e power c. So that is equal to 1 by d minus 2d dash x e power. What about c value, students? C is equal to y plus 2x. So we get here y plus 2x. Now once again we are using this formula, students. So that is equal to here, that is equal to integral x into e power, come on, tell me, students, here y. Again y plus, you write c minus 2x. So c minus 2x plus 2x dx, students. So that is equal to plus 2x minus 2x cancel. E power c is constant, so e power c into integral of x dx, students. X square by 2, that is equal to, again we replace c by y plus 2x. So e power y plus 2x by into x square by 2, students, which is the required particular integral of the given problem. Therefore the complete solution z is equal to f1 of y minus 2x plus x into f2 of y minus 2x plus particular integral, students, here x square e power y plus 2x by 2, which is the required solution of given problem. Let us see the next problem, students. Write down other problem, students. Solve dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou x dou y minus 6 dou square z by dou y square, that is equal to y cos x. Now, what is complete solution, students? Complementary function plus particular integral. Now, see, students, here y cos x. Now, what is case 1, students? E power ax plus by. Case 2, sin ax plus by. Case 3, okay, x power m, y power n. Now, here see, students, y cos x. This is combination of case 2 and case 3. Case 2 and case 3. In such cases also, we are applying case 4, students. Case 4. Right? Let us see the solution, students. First of all, find complementary function. Let us symbolic form, students. Symbolic form. What is symbolic form, students? D square minus plus d dash minus 6 d dash square into z, that is equal to y cos x. Now auxiliary equation d square plus d dash minus 6 d dash square is equal to 0. Now here put d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. D is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. So we get here m square plus m minus 6, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. Now 1 into minus 6 students, we get minus 6. So 3 into 2, 6. So 3 minus 2, 1 gets students. So m square plus this m can be written as 3m minus 2m minus 6, that is equal to 0. Now taking common students here, m, we get here m plus 3. Here minus 2 students, m plus 3, that is equal to 0. Now taking common, m plus 3 into m minus 2, that is equal to 0. That implies, what are the roots students here? M is equal to 2 and minus 3. 2 minus 3. So what is complementary function students? Complementary function f1 of y plus 2x plus f2 of y minus 3x. This is the complementary function. Now particular integral students, particular integral 1 by what is factor form students here? D minus mt dash. So d minus, what is m here students? 2 d dash into d minus, what is m students here? Minus 3. So plus 3 d dash into f of x. What is f of x here? Y cos x. Y cos x. Y cos x. So that is equal to 1 by d minus 2d dash integral of common taking students, y is equal to here, I am taking 3 students here. I am taking here 3. M value is minus 3 students here. We get here c plus 3x students. C plus 3x. What about c value students here? C is equal to y minus 3x. Y minus 3x. So here we have y. So y means it is c plus 3x into cos x dx. Cos x dx. Apply integration by parts here students. What is integration by parts? Integral of u that is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus and so on. Plus and so on. We discussed in Fourier series. So that is equal to 1 by d minus 2d dash. This is say u and this is v. So c plus 3x cos x integration students. So sin x minus u dash. U dash means here c, derivative of c is 0, derivative of 3x is 3. Sin x integration is minus cos x. So bracket close. That is equal to 1 by d minus 2d dash c plus 3x. C plus 3x means it is y sin x minus and minus plus 3 cos x. Now again I am applying here case 4 students for this factor. Let us see. See students, that is equal to here m value is 2 students. So y is equal to here, y is equal to c minus 2x students. So c value is here y plus 2x. C value is y plus 2x. So integral of y means here, y means c minus 2x into sin x plus 3 cos x dx. That is equal to, apply again integration by part students like this. So we get here c minus 2x into integral of sin x students minus cos x minus derivative of c is 0. So derivative of minus 2x is minus 2. Integral of minus cos x students. so minus sin x, plus 3 into derivative of, integral of cos x students, sin x. So that is equal to c minus 2x. c minus 2x means it is y minus cos x. Here we have 3 minus students, so we get minus, so 2 sin x plus 3 sin x. That is equal to minus y cos x minus 2 plus 3, so plus sin x, which is the required particular integral of the given problem, students. So therefore, complete solution z is equal to what, students? Complete solution z is equal to complementary function. What is complementary function, students? f1 of y plus 2x plus f2 of y minus 3x plus what is particular integral, students? Minus y cos x plus sin x, which is the required solution of given problem. Hope you understand, students. Thank you for watching this video. Jai.